Here's an American muscle car legend coming back to life in 2027. This 1976 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Restomod combines the iconic spirit of classic cars with modern technology and performance, creating the perfect blend of nostalgia and modern power. Watch this video for a detailed look at the 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. After a Restomod, this 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle showcases a modern interpretation of the legendary muscle car with an elegant, futuristic Restomod approach. The front end features an aggressive look, featuring a modern, textured black grille combined with retro-futuristic horizontal LED headlights, creating a strong visual identity. The long hood, accented with black dual racing stripes, emphasizes its performance DNA, while the large, multi-spoke alloy wheels and low stance create a ready-to-attack impression. In terms of performance, the 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle is positioned as a modern muscle car with a classic spirit. It features a new generation V8 engine, either naturally aspirated or hybrid-assisted, that delivers substantial power with instant response. Adaptive suspension technology, a high-performance braking system, and a modern chassis setup make this Chevelle not only fast in a straight line, but also stable and precise when maneuvering. The interior of the 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle showcases the perfect blend of classic muscle car ambiance and modern technological luxury. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument panel that displays performance information in a modern way, combined with a wide center infotainment screen featuring the latest connectivity systems. The bold, multi-function steering wheel with metal accents provides optimal control and a solid driving feel. The center console layout is clean, yet distinctive, complete with a modern gear lever, digital climate control, and subtle ambient lighting that enhance the futuristic atmosphere. The most striking aspect is the rear. The 2027 Chevrolet Chevelle showcases a retro character refined with futuristic touches. The horizontally elongated LED taillight design is the main focus, inspired by the classic Chevelle, but packaged with sharp and elegant modern lighting technology. The Chevrolet logo is placed in the center with a minimalist look, reinforcing a clean and exclusive impression. Overall, the rear of the 2027 Chevelle successfully blends classic American identity with the aesthetics of a futuristic concept car, making it look iconic from every angle. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss other interesting videos. See you in the next content.